We'll guide you through how to deploy a website on Vercel, ensuring your project goes live smoothly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Vercel dashboard. Here, click on the New Project button. You'll see a list of your repositories. Select the one you want to deploy. Vercel automatically detects the framework you're using, but you can adjust the settings if needed. Next, click on the Import button. Vercel will start importing your project. Now, it's time to set up the deployment settings. You can configure the environment variables if your project requires them. This is crucial for handling API keys or any sensitive data safely. Once everything is set up, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start the deployment process. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of your project. You'll see real-time logs that show the build process. If there are any errors, you can identify and fix them here. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a URL where your project is live. You can click on the link to see your website in action. Remember, Vercel makes it easy to redeploy your project whenever you push new changes to your repository. Just make sure your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account is properly synced with Vercel. That's it. You've successfully deployed your website using Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.